Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have Logic open with a mix ready. First, add an auxiliary aux, channel strip, and name it for its role, like reverb or drum submix. Next, on each source track, choose an available bus, bus 1, bus 2, and set the send level to taste, because the bus receives the signal you want to process collectively. Once done, set the aux input to that same bus and insert your processing plugin chain. This centralizes effects and saves CPU while keeping individual fader control. Now refine the bus behavior. Decide pre-fader versus post-fader sends. Pre-isolate send level from channel fader moves, while post follows mix changes. Insert an EQ, compressor, or saturation plugin on the aux to shape and glue multiple sources. When you need dynamics control, route a kick or vocal into the compressor sidechain so the bus ducks musically. For parallel processing, send to two buses with different processing and blend them on their faders. This preserves transient detail while adding character. Finish by balancing bus levels into the stem and master. Use clip indicators and aim for healthy headroom, roughly -6 to -3 dB peaks. Automate send amounts and aux faders for arrangement changes, and freeze or bounce heavy buses when CPU becomes a bottleneck. If the audio stutters, check for plugin latency mismatches, disable low latency mode conflicts, or temporarily bypass CPU-heavy plugins. A quick fix is to print the bus to a new audio track, then mute the original processing chain to free resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.